Are you still struggling with creating marketing and sales videos for your business? I totally get it. The technology is always changing and the competition for customers has never been more intense. Social media is a mystery. Some would even say Facebook and Twitter are a total waste of time. And email deliverability is less reliable than ever. The best way to break through the noise and get your message heard is with video. It was true before the pandemic, and it's even more true today. Video marketing just plain works. But still, video is not always as easy as it should be. And if you don't have the right tools and support, it can be a real time and energy suck. That's why I'm starting Fast Forward, to make videos simple, doable, and stress-free for you. Fast Forward is a unique new way for you to get much of the same support and resources my private one-on-one clients enjoy, but at a fraction of the price. Fast Forward is part mastermind, part group coaching, and part monthly tools and resources. Fast Forward provides everything you need to succeed with video: the training, the tools, and the accountability and support whenever you need it. If you want an unfair advantage when it comes to video, then Fast Forward is for you. This one-of-a-kind program will help you make more and better videos consistently without all the time, stress, and tech headaches that usually accompany video. In fact, I've packed so much value and so many benefits into this solution that you'd be crazy not to jump in. Here's something that will actually help you grow your business and generate more revenue regardless of the economy. When you work with me in Fast Forward, the days of getting bogged down in tech will be over, and you'll discover how fast, easy, and stress-free video can be. Fast Forward is the one-stop solution that's been missing in the video space, and now you can be a part of it. You'll get access to me, to the community, and access to new tools and resources like video script templates, video planners, and monthly video sprints and get it done days. All the details are below, so join me and let's make this year your best year ever. Thanks.